Our chainsaw work is done, but before we can say we're completely finished, we need to do a couple of maintenance items on our chainsaw.
After the chainsaw has plenty of time to cool down, the first thing we're going to want to do is take a quick look at the unit to make sure there is nothing broken or missing. Then we're going to clean the saw up. Remove the bar and chain. This area of the chainsaw gets extremely dirty, and it's important that you clean it up after every use, both power head and side cover that you've just removed. With our toothbrush and rag, we can remove most of the debris that has built up. The bar and chain oil that's lubricating the chain will tend to make an oily, greasy texture. We'll clean our saw over an old piece of newspaper or disposable material and then dispose of it properly. When you're cleaning this area, note the oiler's passageway. Make certain this area is clean and free of any debris or obstacles. You will also be able to see the chainsaw's adjustment pin mechanism. Make sure this area is also well cleaned. Take the bar and wipe it down. Make sure you have gloves on, as the bar rails can become sharp over time. Use your bar groove cleaner to remove impacted debris on the inside of the bar rails. Once you've done this, make sure that the various holes and slots are cleaned. These two holes are where the adjustment pin fits in when you reassemble the saw. There's one at the top and one at the bottom. That's so you can turn the bar over and maximize the wearability of the bar by using both sides. Every time you sharpen the chain and each time you remove the chain, you should reverse the bar. These two holes are where the automatic oiler will deliver a stream of oil that is picked up by the chain to lubricate critical points of the chain as well as the bar. If these are clogged up, you will probably get insufficient oil to the bar and chain. All of these holes need to be perfectly clean.
This is also a good time to once again check your air filter. Clean it according to the instructions in the manual, or replace it if necessary. Also, inspect your starter rope for any wear. Replace the bar and chain and tighten it as we discussed earlier.
We've cleaned up our chainsaw, checked it over, and sharpened the chain. We can now put it away. If you're going to be storing your chainsaw for a period of time, you'll want to loosen the chain before you store it and remove the fuel. STIHL has a video on their YouTube channel named How to Store Your Gas-Powered Equipment that goes into much more detail. And again, if you're watching this on the How to Properly Operate and Maintain Your Chainsaw DVD, we have included this how-to video as a bonus chapter. I'm Louis Casarola.
And I'm Jen Har.
We'll see you next time.